Yo, what's up, everybody? Happy Thanksgiving. And I'm shooting this quick video. I think we're about to have some big moves in the market despite despite the low volatility. So I want to go over some pound New Zealand charts and typically focus on the Kiwi more than anything. But happy Thanksgiving. I appreciate all of you all. I want to get this video in and help you despite the fact that it's a holiday. We also have our Black Friday sale going on. Crazy deals across the board. You can get into our academy for like 60% off. Our Market Maker Pro, which is the best offer that we have right now, which is full lifetime access to our academy. The new training we just came out with yesterday that's sick, which is like how to use institutional setups, entries, and exits in order to get funded. And I show you some strategies to get funded with outside capital for all the people that can't maybe afford to be in my accelerator program to get the one-on-one mentoring with me, but still want to learn all these advanced strategies for institutional trading and how to get funded with outside capital. You can get access to that all at once in one package for $9.97. It's a ridiculous deal, lifetime access, and everything that you need in order to learn how to trade, learn these advanced strategies and how to follow the institutional money, and they get funded with outside capital. It's an awesome training. I think it's the best thing I've ever done, and it's going to change a lot of lives. So take advantage of that. It's good until Sunday, and then it's going back up to full price. So that being said, click the links below to get started to check that out. And let's take a look at what's going on here. So pound New Zealand, I sent this trade out to the group, and I wasn't surprised we got a little false breakdown here, breaking this liquidity pool of what we got going on, which set up by the banks. These are the institutional setups that we look for, but how do we tie price action into that? Man, beautiful, beautiful wedge here. We have a buy to sell move and a consolidation into this wedge. So, you know, right now liquidity's low. It is the holidays, but you know, you can never rule out a big surprise move in the market. What am I targeting here? If we get that upside move, nice imbalance here, institutional candle. And in traditional price action trading too, when you have a breakout of these wedge patterns, typically you have, not always, nothing is always in the markets, but you'll have a retracement to the top of the triangle structure, which just happens to be a big imp. Hey, what's up, traders? Hope you like this video. Doing a $100 giveaway for everybody that likes, comments, and is subscribed to our channel. So be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and you'll be entered in the drawing. Enjoy the video. This is what we're looking at. These are our fib levels, and what do you know? Right at some big Fibonacci numbers. So I really like this setup. You know, I've been trading NZDUSD. It's been super, I'm not gonna say stressful, but frustrating to make that happen. But to make that move that I'm expecting happen. But let's take a look at it. I think, man, we are so set up here for a reversal in these NZD pairs. Here's NZD CAD. Massive divergence here. And retesting these upper levels, which I think sooner rather than later. And now is the time this could happen, because eyes aren't on the market now. This is when some big moves are very at risk to happen. And I wouldn't be surprised to see this thing turn around in a big way. Maybe not today, but tomorrow. Nobody's paying attention. People are already thinking about the weekend, and man, we have a big area imbalance here, gap down here in price on these key levels. So got some big downside targets to look at. And by the way, all of these terms, how to find these areas, I teach in this new training. You can click the link below to get started, or in my profile, wherever you watch it. And now finally though, let's take a look at NZDUSD. And by the way, you know, here's NZD Swiss looking really ripe for a move. All we have to do is really look left, see what's going on here. And there's some big areas of the market that we're closing out and setting up for a big move lower. So yeah, it looks good. There's a lot of stuff going on here, but I want to look at NZDUSD before I close out this video. Right at that psychological 7,000 level, daily RSI, massively overbought. I personally thought we were going to come down here. We had false breakout leading to a breakdown, and price just kept creeping back up here, right? So taking out stops again. The banks are making their money, taking stops out at the top of this liquidity pool, but I think it's just a matter of time before we get a retest of these lower levels, to the very least to take out this wedge here, or at least retest the downside of this wedge. But I'm looking at these lower levels down here around 68.50. So good setups turning in on the market. You know, I just looked at NZD Kiwi pairs here, but I think there's a lot more opportunity out there. So have an awesome Thanksgiving if you're in the United States. If you're not, you know, basically the premise of this, aside from the historical things going on, is be thankful for what you got. 2020 was a ridiculously crazy year, but the thing is, if you can learn how to be thankful for the trials and the tribulations and the stuff that maybe didn't work out that you wanted them to, learn how to be thankful for it. Learn what you can take from that lesson that life is providing us with everything that's going on right now. Focus on your dreams, your health. Get healthy. Like, there's no, if you don't want to get coronavirus or whatever the hell's going on, focus on your health. Drink good water, eat good food, exercise, get sunlight, take your vitamins. And that is the best way to and I don't hear anything about that on the news at all, right? So get exercise, stay healthy in your mind, for God's sakes. Turn the mainstream media off. Doesn't matter if it's CNN or Fox or both sides. The mainstream media is just pumping you to try to control you. Take advantage of your own mind. Take advantage of this opportunity to get this cleared out, to crush it in 2021. Stop complaining if you're complaining, and start going out and crushing your goals. That's the only way to start to find real fulfillment and happiness in your life, is by starting to fulfill your own purpose, figuring out what that is. For me, it's trading. For me, it's teaching other people how to get funded, and so they can actually legitimately go out, do whatever they want, and make their dreams happen for themselves and their family. And if you go at it with that mindset, it doesn't happen overnight. I've been doing this for a long time now, but it does start to happen. That's the spirit of the United States and, you know, of all humanity, is that you deserve to live your dreams and have the best, and not just have the best, but create the best life for yourself, and the government and, you know, the companies, corporations, all that stuff has no right to tell you how you should live your life and what's best for you, because you already know what it is. So thanks for watching. Have an awesome I almost said Christmas, Thanksgiving. Eat a bunch of food, watch some football, and also don't forget, keep an eye on the charts, because I think we're going to have some big moves happening. Sneak attack. And if you want to take advantage of this Black Friday sale, you will not be disappointed by my mentoring, my strategies, how to become a trader. It'll be some of the best money you ever spent. If you put your time and effort into it, it can change your life. So have an awesome Thanksgiving, everyone. Thanks for watching.